What's up, guys? It's raining again. Time to go out west. Let's go check it out. Alright, hopefully the water will be moving. Hopefully we'll find some fish. Hopefully I won't get too wet.
There we go. That's a nice snook. That'll work, right? This little fat snook. Dark. Oh no, it's a common snook. Wait, wow, look how dark he is. He has definitely been back here for a long time. He's not super big, but he'll work for a start. Super cool how dark they can get in this tannic water, eh? Look at that. He's just friggin' super dark on top. Let's let him go. See you, buddy. There we go. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. Oh, nice. That's a nice fish. Fat snook, digging hard. There we go. That's a nice fat snook. There we go. Oh, come here, buddy. Wow, he's thick. Super dark. All right. Oops. Nice fat snook. Pretty fish. A little foamy though, right? He'll get her done. Look how fat he is. Look how dark. It's a pretty fish. All right, let's go let him go. All right, buddy. Thanks for coming. See ya. All right, bye. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Damn. There we go. That's a nice fish too. That's a nice fish. Oh boy. I think I figured something out. Look at that snook. Yeah. There we go. Nice little fish. He's not quite as big as the last one, but will definitely work, right? He's not really anywhere near, but he's pretty strong in this current. Check him out, he's pretty cool. Nice dark little fat snook. All right. Let him go. See you, buddy.
Alright guys, I'm done on this one. Just a quick little trip. Caught myself a couple nice little fish. One real nice fat snook. Works for me. Kind of soaking wet now. Time to go take a hot shower and get ready to go to work. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button down below. Share this video and subscribe, please, because it definitely helps me out. Alright, I'll talk to you guys next time. I'll see you later. Bye.